Hey guys, welcome back. The topic we are looking at today is generative AI search with Google. So we all know that generative AI search is a new way to find information on Google, which uses artificial intelligence to generate a snapshot of a key information with links to dig deeper. So the snapshot includes a summary of most important factors to consider as well as links to the website. So if you basically want to search, let's look at an example here. So if I want to basically search how to make a cake here and enter, so you will see the typical procedure to make a cake, but the generative AI snapshot includes many methods involved in making a cake. So if you click on generate, you will have access to it. And if you are wondering how do you get access to this generative AI search, you see something in Google which is Search Labs. So go to Search Labs and here you have to join the waitlist. I have already joined the waitlist, and once you have joined the waitlist, they will roll out for you. So you will see SGE, which is generative search. So you should have access to this. And once you do generate, it is gonna give you the recipes to make it. It is still in beta, but it's a really powerful feature which can help us to find the information quickly and easily. To use generative AI search on any topic, look for snapshot section at the top of the results page. So basically this is the ingredients you got, and let's assume I want to make a follow-up question here. Is this cake eggless, right? So let's assume you are vegan and you don't eat eggs. So let me ask it, is this cake eggless? So if not, it is gonna give us some recipe how to make eggless cakes here. So it actually remembers all the questions. So can you suggest some quick recipes for eggless? Let's see if it gives us that. Okay, so it is giving us that. So basically the important things I wanted to talk about are these are the additional details on generative AI search. So it is new feature that uses AI to generate snapshot of the information. So when we search for a topic, it will use AI to generate the snapshot of the most important factors to consider as well as the links here. So you can see links that are generated on the top, and it allows you to ask a follow-up question, and it is currently still in beta. So it might see some modifications done. So if you have enabled this Search Labs here as I showed you and enabled SGE, you will be able to use it. So I hope this really helps. Let me know if you have used, if you are going to use generative AI search and how this compares to your traditional search. Thank you for joining.